Are you tired of constantly replacing worn-out rubber tracks for your construction equipment? Don't fret. At InterstateHeavyEquipment.com, we understand the importance of maximizing the lifespan of your rubber tracks. That's why we're here to share our top tips for rubber track maintenance, ensuring optimal performance and cost savings for your business. Ready to maximize the life of your rubber tracks? For expert advice and assistance in optimizing the life of your rubber tracks, trust InterstateHeavyEquipment.com. Visit our website at InterstateHeavyEquipment.com or call us at 469-370-7501 to learn more about our services and how we can help you with your construction equipment needs. Don't let worn-out rubber tracks slow you down. Implement these top maintenance tips and reach out to InterstateHeavyEquipment.com for professional support. Extend the life of your rubber tracks, save money, and keep your equipment running smoothly. Contact us today.